Here's how to convert video to audio for free. I have an app called ConvertSave that I created with my brother, who's a software developer, and we basically made this audio, video, and image converter that works on desktop on your Mac and Windows. And so all you have to do is drag and drop this MP4 or video file, whatever video files you have, then you can select your output. And there's a bunch of different audio formats you could do. I'll just select MP3 and I'll hit convert, and it converts that video to audio. So it converts, in this case, MP4 files to MP3. It extracts the audio and converts it to whatever format you need. And for this video only, if you go check out the link in the description or the top comment down below, I'll actually leave a free trial link. And so you can try this for free and see if it works for your audio files, or just right now, if you need it for free, you can just go get it and convert your video to audio. Hopefully you like it and want to hang on to it, and it's actually helpful for you and is a good utility for you if you do a lot of different file conversions. I know for me, it's come in handy quite a bit, and it's like the quickest converter at this point, because I don't have to go Google something and go to some weird sketchy website to upload my files and only be able to do a couple at a time, then download them. Instead, I literally can just click and drag on my desktop, and it works for Windows too, which is awesome. So anyway, thanks for your support, you guys. You can try it for free with the link in the description down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.